Welcome to Compare to Win. The best patio sinks is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components for transforming your outdoor living space into a functional and enjoyable extension of your home, allowing for effortless entertaining, convenient gardening, and a cleaner, more organized patio area. Number 5. SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station. Introducing the SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station, your ultimate solution for hygiene on the go. It's designed for convenience and safety, wherever your adventures take you. With a generous 5-gallon fresh water capacity, this unit ensures you have plenty of water for numerous hand washes. It's perfect for extended use during outdoor events, camping trips, or at work sites. Experience hygienic, touch-free hand washing with its innovative foot pump. Each step dispenses 180 milliliters of water, providing a safe and convenient way to keep clean. This station comes equipped with a built-in soap dispenser and a handy towel holder. Everything you need for efficient hand washing is conveniently located in one place. Designed for life on the move, it's lightweight and features a built-in carry handle. This makes it incredibly easy to transport and set up in various outdoor locations. Setting up is a breeze with minimal tools required. Plus, the included drainage hose makes water disposal simple, ensuring hassle-free use and cleanup after every use. What we like. This portable hand washing station is perfect for events and work sites. Its hands-free foot pump operation ensures hygiene, and it holds over 5 gallons of water. If you need a convenient and sanitary hand washing solution on the go, or at a location without plumbing, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This portable sink is a marvel of modern ingenuity, perfectly blending a space-saving design with a surprisingly spacious water reservoir. Despite its modest footprint, this portable sink boasts a 5+ gallon capacity, ensuring plenty of water supply without needed to constantly refill. The hands-free operation via foot pump and the integrated liquid soap dispenser add to the convenience, making hygiene a breeze for a reasonable cost solution. It's easy to put together, easy to use, and has a convenient towel holder. We like that it has a tall faucet and fits in a small area. Number 4. Zenna Home All-in-One Freestanding Laundry Tub. Introducing the ultimate all-in-one laundry tub. It's designed to handle all your washing needs with ease and convenience. This heavy-duty sink comes complete with a pull-out faucet, sturdy legs, a scrub board, and a removable shelf. It also includes utility hooks for extra storage. The included pull-down sprayer faucet and plumbing kit make setup a breeze. It's pre-drilled for easy faucet installation, and even features a soap tray. Perfect for laundry, DIY projects, or even washing your pets. Its versatile design makes it suitable for your laundry room, garage, or outdoor kitchen. With a spacious basin and comfortable working height, this sink makes tough cleaning tasks easier. The built-in scrub board and work surface add to its user-friendly design. Setting up your new sink is straightforward thanks to the included plumbing kit and clear instructions. You can even permanently mount the legs for added stability. What we like. This freestanding utility sink is designed for maximum convenience. It comes with a pull-out faucet, a scrub board, and even a removable shelf. If you're looking for a versatile sink for your laundry room, garage, or even an outdoor kitchen that can handle various tasks from washing clothes to bathing pets, this is a great option. What people say. Installing it was straightforward with no issues. Love the pull-out and sprayer feature. Deep tub with washboard was perfect. Number 3. 21.6 by 17.7 inch drop-in kitchen sink. Crafted from premium T304 stainless steel, this sink offers excellent corrosion resistance. Its robust construction ensures it can handle even your heaviest cookware with ease. This sink measures 21.6 inches wide and 17.7 inches front to back externally, with a generous 8.6-inch bowl depth. It also comes with 2 pre-drilled holes for convenient installation. Enjoy a quieter kitchen thanks to its sound absorption undercoating and rubber pads. This design minimizes noise and reduces condensation, keeping your cabinets dry and clean. Cleaning is a breeze with its R10 tight radius corners, eliminating hard-to-reach spots. The removable basket strainer also helps prevent drain clogs. Water drains rapidly thanks to the X-shaped water guide and 1-degree slope at the bottom. This ensures your sink stays clean and dry after every use. We stand by our product with a lifetime limited warranty. If you have any questions, our support team will respond within 24 hours. What we like. This drop-in kitchen sink is crafted from premium 304 stainless steel for lasting durability. Its sound dampening features make it exceptionally quiet. If you value a sleek, modern look in your kitchen and want a sink that is both robust and easy to maintain, this is an excellent selection for your home. What people say. It's well built. Was easy to install. Looks great. This is so well made, beautiful and perfect. Heavy duty and solid construction. It's deep and so much easier to wash large items without the water splashing out. It's also soundproof. When I put dishes silverware in the sink it's quiet. Super solid and built to last a lifetime. Number 2. POPFLY 22-inch stainless steel kitchen sink. Introducing the POPFLY 22-inch kitchen sink, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home. Its compact size makes it ideal for various spaces. Crafted from durable, premium T304 stainless steel, this sink offers exceptional resistance to corrosion and dents. Its brushed finish is easy to maintain and built to last. Experience a quieter kitchen with its advanced sound-absorbing undercoating and rubber padding. The anti-condensation feature prevents moisture buildup on the exterior. Designed with a sloped bottom and strategic grooves, water flows efficiently towards the drain. This ensures a clean and dry sink surface after every use. Its sleek, modern design and deep basin offer both aesthetic appeal and practical utility. This versatile sink complements any kitchen decor beautifully. With external dimensions of 22 by 18 inches and an internal depth of 9 inches, it provides ample space for all your tasks. The standard drain fits most garbage disposals. What we like. This handmade stainless steel sink offers a deep basin for all your washing needs. It boasts an ultra-quiet design and efficient drainage system. If you're seeking a stylish and functional sink for your kitchen or laundry area that minimizes noise and water pooling, this sink is a fantastic choice. What people say. The sink is very deep and spacious, perfect for washing large pots and pans. The material is durable and easy to clean, resisting scratches and stains. It comes with a pre-drilled hole for a faucet, making installation straightforward. Number 1. POPFLY 15 by 17 inch black bar sink. Introducing the POPFLY 15 by 17 inch black bar sink. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, it's built to last and designed to impress. This single bowl sink offers an 8-inch depth, perfect for various tasks. Its standard 3 to 1 2-inch drain opening ensures compatibility with most garbage disposals. Made with 18-gauge T304 stainless steel, it's 37% thicker than standard sinks. The unique black diamond finish not only looks great but also hides scratches effectively. Enjoy a quieter kitchen experience thanks to the 3mm sound dampening pads. An undercoating also helps minimize condensation, keeping your cabinet dry. The thoughtfully designed sloped bottom and channel grooves ensure rapid water drainage. Rounded or 10 corners make cleaning a breeze, eliminating tough-to-reach spots. Its elegant black diamond finish complements your existing kitchen appliances, adding a touch of modern sophistication to your space. What we like. This black bar sink features a unique, scratch-hiding finish and is made from thick, premium stainless steel. It's designed for quiet operation and protection against condensation. If you're looking for a compact, stylish sink for a bar area, RV, or small kitchen that offers durability and a modern aesthetic, this sink is a standout option. What people say. The sink is deep and spacious, perfect for washing large pots and pans. The included drain assembly is easy to install and works effectively. The stainless steel construction is durable and resistant to scratches and stains. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.